All right. So I just have to APO down. I would add APO 40. It says they're worth 87 cents right now. The market's probably just wide here. 55.70. Okay, I have that setting. Let's load this style. Let's load this style. So I had to restart. I was up late last night dealing with Thinkorswim. But my computer should not be crashing anymore because I did get rid of a lot of my programs. All right, so we got that. We can add Ichimoku on all these. Caesars is higher. Ichimoku Kinkin Hoi, the Ichimoku Cloud. And we're going to add RSI. So let me go in here and change the settings of these. I've been doing this so long, I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to do 5 red, 5 green, 5 red, 5 blue, 5 green, 5 blue. Jackson Hole on Friday, so until then, maybe just chill. We haven't seen a lot of volatility lately. We haven't seen a lot of intraday volatility lately either.
Fed minutes this afternoon.
We do have Fed minutes. KSS, guys, I have a target of 65. KSS, I have a target of 65. So KSS did some put spreads, and I have some calls on the KSS. So that one's working out. KSS up 48 cents. That was a 10 out of 10 on the scanner. P&L probably down about $300 because I am down in Macy's. Let me go to the next one. Go to Ichimoku. Ichimoku Kinkin Hoi. Look at that chart of Amazon. That's wild. All right, so in this, we're going to do 5 red. I'm going to add some RSIs, 5 blue. 5 red. Target at good earnings. 5 blue. And then 5 blue. Okay, so that's all set up. To detach a watch list, and I'm going to put my favorites in here. To create watch list, it's pretty easy to do. Mag 7. This is your Apple, Amazon, Google, Meta, Netflix. I'll add AMD too. NVIDIA, AMD, and I'm going to put Microsoft and Tesla. Save. So there's the watch list. I'm going to add this to the right. Tesla was trying to get short yesterday. It never got filled. Tesla was trying to get short yesterday. It did not get filled in Tesla. Okay, I'm going to create another one. So detach gadget. It's kind of cool. You guys are seeing how you can create watch lists on here. I'm not really good at Thinkorswim. Brian's way better. Options watch list. Okay, that's everything I'll be looking for the option market. Bought a lot of Peloton calls yesterday. So PTON. They bought the not R23. I have to look at that. HUSA, HUSA, 117 calls trading here. We see something hitting penny spike here, guys. Penny spike. Robinhood 19 puts. Robinhood this week 19 puts trading, guys. I'm not going to take these. Robinhood this week 19 puts. Robinhood 19 puts, guys. Robinhood 19 puts trading here. Those hitting day and penny spike. They hit at 14 cents here in Robinhood. So day trade and penny spike. Buyer of Hood, 823, 2024, 19 puts for 14 cents. I'm not going to take these, guys. I'm not taking these. So Robinhood here on day trade and penny spike. Day trade and penny spike here is a Robinhood. So Robinhood calls being bought, guys. Puts being bought in Robinhood, guys. Robinhood puts being bought. Robinhood puts being bought in deal to Robinhood. I added to my watch list on the right. Macy's down $2. Macy's getting crushed. TDS up a little bit. Did lose a little bit yesterday, down about, I don't know, $300 today, maybe $200 today. Had a really good day on last week. Ten out of 10 has some really good trades. Let's see where UEC is. I've been thinking about you. Not doing much here. APO is lower. I don't. Oh, I paid. Okay, I got it. Now I got it. I add RSI here on the bottom. So Ichimoku. 5 red. We're going to look at RSI here in about 8 minutes, see if there's any candidates. 5 green. 5 red. 5 green. And 5 blue. Okay, apply OK. So that is now there. I have 2 left. You can add RSI as well. I'm going to add that standard deviation ATR versus ATR. So go in here and ATR project. Got it there. Cool. UPS 145 is trading here. Nothing to do there. So I'm just slowly coming in here and making my charts look a little pretty while there's nothing going on. The good news is I think my computer should be good. I got rid of a lot of crap on my computer, and I can just tell my computer is really fast again. The bad news, I had some Thinkorswim issues. I was on the phone with them last night, and I had to reinstall Thinkorswim, which means most of my stuff did not get saved. So I have to just kind of slowly go through and get to the point where I want, and then I want to save that setting. Netflix had a tail on top. I was talking about the RSI on that one. The strength, the index, got up to about 75. I said I was going to start shorting Netflix if the RSI got up to 80. To not get that high, I got to about 75 here. Tesla moving higher. I was trying to get short Tesla yesterday. I wish I did. I didn't get filled. Macy's just plowed here. So I'm down about $300 here in Macy's. I had a call spread on for $100 that I'll lose. And I had a put spread on for about 150 that I'll lose. So I should be losing about 250 here in Macy's. So I did have 2 earnings trades on based on order flow. I think one might have been an ATM weekly money machine, but the other one was not. I just had ATR. You know, we could just be slow until Fed time is here. Fed time is here. KSS down in the day. KSS got up to like 18. I got up to 20, like 20 here. Mar moving up. Pfizer moving up. Rivian. A lot of call buyers in Rivian. Come on. So I'm just slowly making my charts pretty again. I have to save this workspace. AK August. Okay. HA SEP 16s. HA SEP 16s trading here. HA SEP 16s. Futures just keep going higher. We broke an 8-day winning streak yesterday. Got it at Pfizer. Yeah, I'm still in Pfizer this week calls. The next week calls, I'm out of those. They're worth 11 cents. I paid 17. I would target at a quarter. Norwegian up a dime. Caesars up 20 cents. APO, I'd probably add it around 40 cents. Way off the market, they're 50.65. Got offered a structured note in Dell. Dell's just been flatlining that 110 level the last couple of days. A lot of stocks are not moving as much as they used to. You know, a lot of these have nice ATRs and they're just not moving very much. Google down. Microsoft down. EOSE. Boeing August 23rd call trading here. Let me see if I have a target on here in Caesars. Caesars. Why is it not going alphabetical?
Target up 15%.
Really? Caesars, I'm going to offer those puts at 80. For contracts, Caesars up a whopping 17 cents. CLSK down. KSS down. Macy's down. TJT, Target. Target up $23. Wow. Walmart up 78 cents. Roblox next week 43.5. Roblox next week 43.5. Ooh, I think I have to reinstall the RSI in here for the scan functionality. I don't think it's working. I'm gonna have to do that at the break. Usually when we're slow like this, the first signal that hits the tape, I usually like. But so far, we got nothing. TDS calls, I would add to those at 50. Ooh, I can go 50 bid here. So going 50 bid here in TDS. For 8 contracts. Amazon up 3 on the Target news. Tesla slowly climbing higher. Glow, I was actually trying to sell calls price in Glow. Kraft weekly 36s trade at 7 cents. Kraft weekly 36s trading 77 cents. So TDS, guys, I'm looking to add TDS 920, 2024, 22.5 calls for 50 cents. I'm looking to add to TDS. Stock hasn't really moved. It's just time decay is kind of hurting these a little bit. PayPal down 6 cents. So my shorts are Caesars and Norwegian. Those are both up. Macy's just getting plowed here. Getting crushed like the bug you are. KSS, it says there's unusual option activity. KSS, we bought a little bit of the 22s for 2 cents. That doesn't really perk my interest. Ooh, someone's making a trade over there. I hear that noise.
Yeah. Nice profit on Amazon call.
So I'm down about 370 bucks right now, mostly in Macy's. Rivian moving higher. More craft calls being bought, guys. Craft 36s. 7 cents. I'm not going to take these. KHC 823, 2024, 36 calls for 7 cents. How's my best friend Pinterest doing? Ooh, Pinterest. 32s are back to 34, so if you can get out of the 32s, you can. And Pinterest. ON on another $1.50. I actually do have a structured note in that one. Macy's plowed. Like I said, I'm losing money in that. SOXL. Ooh, I want to add SOSL or an SOSX here. I think AVG has earnings this week, doesn't it? AVGO. I don't know. It's down $2. Just want to look at the RSI and the SOSX. I'm going to rebuy it when the RSI gets to about 28. I sold it at $25.90 and it ended up going to $40. I did make more money on that. I've been trading that pretty well. I mean, I bought Nike. I made a little bit of Nike stock. Oh, AVGO is in September. Thank you. Thank you. Hood is the only thing that hit the tape. I don't take stuff from Day Trade Scanner. HA trading here. Nothing new in HA. That is Hawaiian Holdings. TXN, Texas Instruments, small. You know, we want more. We want 1,000 greater than. We want a greater than volume greater than open interest. We want more than 1,000 contracts. Just straight out chilling like a villain. SBLK trading here. All it takes is one good signal to turn that frown upside down. Let's go APO. Let's go 40 bid. Crowd strike. Wow, crowd strike right from the bottom. So there'll be no RSIs today just because I don't have it in my platform yet. So no RSI. Official signal yet. You can go to RSI. Add that in over here. Yesterday was a loser in US Steel. None today. Roblox, more Roblox calls trading here, guys. Roblox next week 43.5s. Roblox next week 43.5s, guys. Next week 43.5s in Roblox. I want to get my back tester in here. I don't think I see it. The back tester. There we go. They bought a lot of Rivian calls. They're buying Rivian SEP 6, 14.5s. I'd buy those for like a quarter. Let's go, yeah, go quarter bid. So Rivian calls, you're buying a lot of Rivian calls. 9-6, 2024, 14 calls. Yesterday for 41. I am 25 bid, so I'm bidding in the market. All my longs and all my shorts are in the notes tab. Nothing. I've been really quiet the last couple days. I was really aggressive last week, and we're just not seeing as much. P&L for the day, I'm down about 370 maybe. And then yesterday I lost about 470, I want to say. So for the week, still up a couple thousand. Futures are 14 today. What are the futures due yesterday? Huh?
Down 11.
So for the week, I'll put that back to 3270. About 2,400 for the week. So I'm having a good week. It just, if you make one big winner, I'm not adding to Rivian now. I'm looking to buy different Rivian calls though. Oh, Pinterest. If you got out of Pinterest, you want to get out of Pinterest, guys. Pinterest calls up to 40 now. That was a 10 out of 10 signal. Pinterest calls up to 40, guys. Pinterest calls up to 40. Pinterest calls up to 40. TDS, I'm 50 bid. UEC, that's like 120. So I'm down about 310 now. Not adding to this week Rivian calls. Nope. LI trading here, another noon LI. $25 minutes of the day, the only thing we've seen hit is Robinhood puts. And I did not take them, and they're down money. So I guess good thing I didn't take them. Go to Robinhood puts. AK goes for 45 minutes, and then we get 15 minutes where I go over all the portfolios. And then after that, we'll do a bonus session. I am not taking one entry. I'm not taking one exit today. So my P&L will just move as the market moves. And right now I'm down money. Merck, weekly 112s trading here. TLT, 97.5 puts trading here. We've had minutes today. We've Jackson Hole on Friday. Let's look at the at-the-money straddle. At-the-money calls, at-the-money puts. The 560 straddle. For today, implying about a 30-point move. So we can be up 45 or down 15. Implied move between now and the end of the week is the 560 straddle. 65-point move between now and the end of the week. Which actually I think is a little light. I do think that's a little light, to be honest. Upstart trading here, nothing new in that one. Oh, Macy's put spreads at least next week, so I get a little bit of time back. Biggest loser today is Macy's. The biggest winner, I don't even know have it for. I know I have it by winner. This is Ella APM long stock. Oh, Pinterest. I have some longer dated calls. I have the Pinterest Sep 20th 36s. Those are almost back to break even here. Had a really good day on Monday in Pinterest. Let's see how they shake them out today. Futures just continue to slowly climb higher. They're slowly climbing higher. $27 minutes in the day. All we've seen is one signal from day trade, one signal from penny spike. Okay. Oh, now we see a signal. Series November 4s. Jesus. That is really out there. See how they're on the back tester. So option hacker getting a signal. So really far away. So Siri no 4s. It's an 8 out of 10 on the scanner. They paid 21. You can get them at 16 right now. Huh. Really? You know how small this HER is going to be? I'll take some of these. We're at 15. It says the no 4s traded. I'm going to take some at 15 cents here. So option hacker. They said they paid. Am I looking at the right ones? They said they paid 21. That'd be almost my offer. Buyer of SIRI 11/15 2024. 4 calls for 21 cents. They might adjust that price. They just seem too expensive. I'm trying to get here in a 15. So I'm trying to buy this here at 15. It's an 8 out of 10 actually on the scanner, guys. 8 out of 10 here on 6 signals in Siri. So I'm trying to pay 15 here. Not filled yet. Then we see moonshots. We see puts in Walmart. So let's go to moonshots and go to Walmart puts. Not enough signals. Moonshot scanner. Buyer of Walmart. 8/23, 2024. 75 puts for 29 cents. $7/15, 2024. Okay, I'm in at 15. I'm going to call this out for a signal. We'll do it for Alpha Shark. So Alpha Shark official signal, guys, 15 cents. Alpha Shark official signal here, 15 cents. Buy SIRI 11/15 2024. 4 calls for 15 cents. Target 22. Will add at 10 cents and 5 cents. So official Alpha Shark signal, guys. Official Alpha Shark signal. So everybody that's a member gets this signal. Siri, SIRI. And these are so far away, guys. You got to take into consideration these will not move much. So these are not going to move much. But I'm in at 15 cents. I would add to the position at a dime, and I would add at a nickel. This is November. From my point of view, November is an eternity away. But we do have an official signal for Alpha Shark. So since everybody's an Alpha Shark member, you'll see what I kind of do here. I come in here. I write a new post. So new position in SIRI, SIRI. Nove 4s, 15 cents. Nove 4s, 15 cents. These will not fluctuate. Whoa, they're down to 12.14 now. Now to add a dime here. So Alpha Shark, official signal, and SIRI. Buy SIRI, 11/15, 2024. 4 calls, for 15 cents. No stop loss. Target is 22. I would add it a dime, I would add it a nickel. So then you come in here, we put this out. So now it is on the website. It's basically a 5-step process I have to go through here. So now it's on the website. Now we go into the Discord channel. We put this out into the stratosphere. So that's good. Now we go to push notification. We go to Alpha Shark. We send this out. This is everything AK has to do every time there's a signal. That is now good. Then we go to Insightly. And then we also go to ChatGPT to help us write an article. So in Insightly, I log in. And then even after Insightly, I have one more step. We have to add it to the portfolio. So you guys know all the open positions and all the closed positions. So we come in here and we go to Alpha Shark. Alpha Shark. Alpha Shark. Not plus, just Alpha Shark. Okay, there it is. We clone this email. More day trades. I don't care about day trades. 8/21/2024. Alpha Shark. Official entry in SIRI. And I have a little help with the ChatGPT calls. Come back into here. Take that signal. And if I do have time, like today, I'm not that busy. So what I'll do is I'll come in here and I'll say to my good friend ChatGPT, write 150 words with bullets, title, and be aggressive about business model. Why a trader should buy SIRI 11/15/2024, 4 calls for 15 cents. And then I go, show me your magic.
3-word answer. Make money.
And then I come into here. And I take this. Thank you, ChatGPT. And I put that in the article. And then I'll send it out. It is now in the stratosphere for you guys via email, Telegram, and push notification. And then last step, I have to go into here and I have to show you guys the signal we put on. I can't believe you didn't buy these. They're right up your alley. You love SIRI. Yeah.
I love the service.
4 calls. 15 is the entry. And position still on. So that's the steps we have to do. They're 14.15 right now. So series, new position, SIRI. I would add it a dime. I would add it a nickel. SIRI, the target is 22 cents. SIRI. Talk SIRI to me. Mara moving up, Skill SK moving up. Oh, I should add Riot here too. Oh, P&L, turn that frown upside down. I am now down about $25 today. What's the date of this thing? November 11th and 12th in South Beach. Probably gonna have to go to that. SIRI. How much stock has moved today in Siri? I had about 20 contracts, nothing crazy. Talk dirty to me. I just saved this. Sorry, I just have to save this in my computer. My computer's running great. I got out of a lot of my, I don't know, I had to go through like the memory bank and just get rid of a lot of programs off my computer, which is totally fine. I mean, I've had the same computer, I think, since like 18. Futures bid. And Mara, you know, I want Mara to go higher. I'm long Mara. I'm long Riot. So they're the ones that like can kind of like just go whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Series 16, 17. And at 15, you probably got to fill that 14, maybe even 13. Riot moving up. Time decays just crush these options, though. Mara, I'm long. The 18th for next week. And at 58, they're probably worth about 50. And if we got a quick move, that would have been better. If we got that quick move, it would have been better. 8 out of 10, guys. So what I do is every single signal, an option hacker, my creme de la creme. All I do is put in the back tester, and if the results have been good, I take the trade. It's really the easiest system I've ever seen. So this shows me Siri, S-I-R-I, on option hacker over the last 2 years. There's been 6 trades that have hit Siri on option hacker over the last 2 years, and it is an 8 out of 10, which means I want to take it. I want to take this. My best is probably, I mean, 700% profit I could gauge for. But I usually just do 100% stop loss and then 50% profit targets. So I'm right here. I just use the traditional sense of it. Oh, come on, Mara. Talk dirty to me. You got into Siri at 14. Great trading. 16, 18. We have a target at 22 cents in series. And guys, we still have the introductory price for the 10 out of 10. So if you're still interested in 10 out of 10, we sold out of the VIP price, but still have some spots at intro price, guys, in the 10 out of 10. It's optionhacker.com/10. So we sold out of the VIP price. Now we're on the intro price. That price will just go up. Every week, these things are going to go up, guys. So if you're interested in, I would get in as soon as possible. Siri calls 17, 18. Target's 22. I just leave my target out there. I am 10-cent bid. I would add more at 10 cents. Siri, guys. Siri is up to 17, 18. We still have the intro price, guys, and I'll show you the portfolio here. And these Mara calls, if we hit a target in Mara, Mara, talk Mara to me. And Mara's about to flip to a winner too. Those are to 55, so that's going to help our portfolio. We've only had, we've had 6 winners and 3 losers here. 4 straight winning trades. You always want to get in while the iron's hot, we say. Pinterest, all MG. The 32s in Pinterest up to 55 now. So CLSK will go to 0. Mara's still on. APO is still on. I still like APO. Actually, almost added to APO today at 40. Apollo Management Group. I am 40 bid. Da-na-na-na. Oh, P&L about to go up on the day. Oh, I love you, AK. Mara's my biggest winner today. TDS. I might lower my bid in TDS to about 45. I don't need to sit here and be the best bid in the world. The 55 bid in front of me. That's fine. So if you guys want to get in the intro price, we only have, we do have limited amounts of spots. It hits the signal as a 10 out of 10. TPR 2025 40 puts trading here 285. No thank you. No gracias. Riot calls 8.5. I still have next week 9s in Riot. I still have this week 8.5s in Riot. Still have Mara next week 18s. Tesla. I tried to short Tesla yesterday. I didn't get filled. I can put that offer out again. The 25-27 call spread for this week. Try to short it at 120. I'm going to put a 125 offer, and it's 75 cents. That would have been a nice winner. That did hit a super option scanner, and every time Tesla hits super option scanner, I fade it. Come on, Riot, Mara, CLSK, Maya, Riot, CSK. Pinterest. The gifts that keeps on giving. Look at Pinterest, guys. That was a 10 out of 10 trade. Wow. 19 cents to 53. If you're making money in Pinterest, guys, I want to hear it. Anybody make money in Pinterest on the 10 out of 10 trade? Oh, AK, I love you. 3 minutes to go, and then we'll go to review all the portfolios. They're always trading in the back. GDS, SEP 12.5 trading here. 52-week high. Did anybody make money in Pinterest? I want to hear it. Brag a little bit. Like, thanks, AK. You're the best. I love you. Series offers out. I'm not going to change my offer. They're November calls. This is like an eternity away. We have September, October, November. Positions like November, I don't mind adding to the position too. Hits the scanner, we take the trade. APO on 40 bid. Mara, I have a target out at 75. Siri, I have a target out at 22. La da 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 da. The KSS 20s. Ooh, they're down to 20 cents. I'm gonna take 6 more of these just for fun. Trying to buy KSS this week. 20 calls for 20 cents. Just got filled. Not official signal, guys. Just kind of something I'm kind of trying to scalp a little bit. So KSS this week 20s for 20 cents. Just buying $120 worth. And I'm going to add another $100 worth at a dime. And we'll see. We will see what happens. Future just got whacked. Every day Mara is up and then it reverses. It's kind of frustrating. Every day Mara is up and it reverses. Now I'm back down 300. APO down $1.20 today. Look at a chart of our APO on the RSI. I do have a 40 bid here in APO. They're 50-60. He just got hit hard. I don't know why. There's a SEP 120s in APO. Makes about $3 a day. So let's look at the delta. The stock can go down $2 more today. That gives them down. I'm going to lower my APO bid about 35 now. So I'm going to lower my APO bid to 35. I don't need to be the best bid in the world. There she goes. Pinterest, 20 to 45. Great trading. Yeah, I want to hear that. Puts being bought on Moonshot Scanner. More puts being bought on the Moonshot Scanner. All right. Oh, I didn't realize what time it was, guys. Give me a minute. We just